All right, so good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, February 11th. I had to look at my phone to see what the date was, but we just arrived to the vet's office. Yes, he's in a doggy stroller because it just makes things easier for me. We are going to the dog park later today, but we had to stop here first. So I don't think he's really thrilled right now, but we won't be here that long. We'll give an update here in a little bit. Okay, so we made it into the room that's going to be his. The only thing we've done so far is get a weight, and he has lost, I think they said maybe 10 pounds since last time, because when we were here the last time, we actually changed his diet, because they said he needed to lose a couple pounds, and I think he's lost about 10. We've been going to the dog park a lot more, so I think it's working. The food change and more exercise. Of course, he's not happy to be here, but we won't be here very long. He just has to get updated on his shots and get his flea medication. All right, so we'll be right back. Okay, so we got a good report from the doctor. We weighed him on January 15th, and he was 97, which they said they wanted him to lose some weight. So today, when we're doing this appointment, which is the 11th, he is down to 82.2. So he got a good review, he got all his shots, everything's up to date, and we have switched him to the Hills Science diet, so we're going to continue with that and going to the dog park so he can run and get exercise. So Cooper has a clean bill of health, so yay! Alright, so I'm sure Cooper is thankful that we have left the vet's office and we made it to the other dog park that I wanted to try out. This is called the Mill Slaw Dog Park, if I'm pronouncing that right. Mill and then Slough. So it's basically, just your standard fenced-in dog area. They do have a couple, like I think that thing that we're looking at that's Cooper standing next to, something maybe a dog could run through there. And then there's like a ramp up one side and down the other that they could go up one side and down the other if they wanted to. And then they have on the other side, when we first came in, they have their standard water fountains for doggies. So they have that. They've got that thing right there that they can walk over. I'm not really sure what that is. But it's just your basic fenced in dog area. That's the small dog size area, and we're actually obviously we're on the big side. So we just wanted to check out a different dog spot. There's Cooper right now just trying to explore the area, and so here we are. So it's quiet out here, it's peaceful, there's a nice breeze today, it's not cold, it's not hot, which is great. So this is just where we're going to be for a little bit until our ride comes back to get us. So I'm sure he's a lot happier here than being at the vet's office. But he got all up to date on his shots and everything, so everything's good. So I thought he'd like to come here for a little bit so he could chill. I'm just trying to have him take it easy though, so he's not running around too much. Just trying to give him some time to explore the area and just be off leash for a little bit. There he goes. There's my baby. There's Cooper, just chilling. He's been running around for a little bit. Now he's just taking a break and chilling. You can see the ball right there that he's been playing with. It's pretty filthy. Hi, Cooper. I love you, baby. Anyway, we get to watch him tinkle. He's going to the bathroom again. So, there we are. I'm catching that on video. Alright, I have to go do my duty. I have to go grab a bag. Again. Yeah, let's kick it. Toss it. Throw it around. Why don't you clean it up while you're at it? That's not going to happen. I'll be right back.